Hi, this is Paul Opitz, Senior Product Manager for Radio Products at Uniden Corporation, back again to show you some of the new HomePatrol One Extreme features. In this segment, we want to take a look at some of the basic free features that have been added in the new HomePatrol Extreme firmware. Let's go take a look right now. Okay, here's our new HomePatrol updated version. First thing you might notice is in the system line now we are indicating which favorites list you're currently monitoring. We're doing this because now, in addition to the main database, you can include up to 256 favorites list, scan them all at the same time. The next, you notice in that last transmission it had the UID. That's the unit ID of the radio that's actually transmitting. This is turned on by an option I'll show you later. Also, you see we're displaying TGID 80. That means that talk group is not actually stored in the database. This system is being scanned in ID search mode.
That's okay. Hey, I'll turn them off when we're done. I'll turn them back on. Okay, Mary. Thanks.
Let it get off of this channel. Okay, now we have a GMRS frequency that's gone live. If you look in the third line of the display in the channel information line, you see the CTCSS tone flashing in the display. That's because this channel was programmed with the CTCSS DCS search option turned on. And now finally on the main screen, if we select the System pop-up menu, you notice that the second option is now Advanced. Since this unit has not been upgraded to the Extreme version, the only option in the Advanced is to see site information, which, as you can see, looks like it did in the previous version.
42.
Now let's move on into the menu system, and we'll look at how it differs from the original HomePatrol menus. The main menu screen is the same. However, if we set service types, you'll see when we get to the end here we have the additional service types that are available when you program these service types using the HomePatrol Sentinel software. Custom 2 has been turned on now for the GMRS FRS channels that I have in the FRS GMRS favorites list that I created. Under display options, you see we now have an option to turn the unit ID display on or off. Now if you've programmed the unit ID with an alpha tag using Sentinel, then that alpha tag will appear on the main scanning screen instead of just the number. Finally, from the main menu, if we go to Manage Favorites Lists, select the database to monitor, you'll see we now have an option to use only the full database or to use multiple lists. In this case, I'm using the test favorites list and the GMRS FRS favorites list. If we wanted to add an additional system, we would just tap it to turn it on or off. Now in the advanced menu, under version information, you'll see that the electronic serial number, or ESN, shown in the bottom line of the display is showing in a slightly different format. This will make it easier to enter your registration information online. And now if we look at advanced options, which is a new menu item, the only option we have right now is to register advanced, which is the function you use to enter your registration key. You would enter it using this screen. Since the key has not been entered, the other options on this screen is grayed out. Of course, as I mentioned before, all of the channel options that are available for programming in Sentinel are going to be used when you transfer that programming into your HomePatrol. You just can't access that programming in HomePatrol without upgrading to the extreme featured software. Well, I hope you liked what you saw, and come back again soon for some of our other features.